Good morning. Today I'll explain about inter-process communication. So what is meant by inter-process communication? The definition is process to communicate and to synchronize their actions. What it means? Suppose you are having four process P1, P2, P3, P4. Suppose process P1 handles the resource R1, whereas the process P2 required the same resource R1. How it is happened? By using inter-process communication. Once the process P1 completed the task, then only the process P2 accepted the resources. That is called as a inter-process communication between the process P1 and process P2. In this message system is available. What is meant by message system? The process communicate with each other without resorting to the shared variables, which means the process communicate with each other. As early I have given the example just now regarding the inter-process communication. So, as per the example, the process P1 already the resources R1 is available. Next, this information forward to the remaining process P2, P3, P4. Hence, the P2, P3, P4 knows that the R1 resource available in the process P1. Whenever the R1 resource freely available, then the same information given by the process P1 to the other resources, obviously we can call it as a message system. Why it is important? Because to avoid the complications between the all the processes. Next, the inter-process communication having two operations. One is send operation, second one is receive operation. The send operation is forward the message in the form of fixed size or variable size. Then this message received by the remaining process in the particular job service. Suppose process P1 contains R1 resource. Then this information forward to other process, and this message is fixed size for all other process like P2, P3, P4, and the P2, P3, P4 receive the message which is sent by the process P1. Next, suppose if the process P and Q wants to communicate, they need to establish the communication link between them. This point is very easy. What is meant by communication link? Suppose you and me make a phone call. How we make a phone call? Using the network. The network provided the communication link between you and me. In the same manner, the P and Q both process wants to communicate using the communication link. Using the communication link, we can communicate the transaction effectively. Okay. Next, to exchange the messages using receive and send. Suppose the P1 send the message for P2, then P1 is sending the option, whereas P2 is receiving the message, which means sending and receiving. Afterwards, there is a communication link is available. How to implement the communication? To implement the communication using through hardware or through logical properties. This is called as a inter-process communication. For inter-process communication, we have these are the questions arrived. What are the questions? How the links are established and how many links between every pair of communicating process. What is the link capacity? All type of questions generally available for the task called as a inter-process communication. Thank you for everyone giving this opportunity to me.